Pandas DataFrame, difference between rolling and expanding function. Can anyone help me understand the difference between rolling and expanding function from the example given in the Pandas docs? I give comment to each row to show my understanding of the calculation. Is that true for rolling function? What about expanding? Where are 3 and 7 in third and fourth rows coming from?
The 2 in expanding is min underscore periods, not the window. If you want the same result with rolling, window will be equal to the length of data frame.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.